Hey guys, it's David. Uh, I did some changes to this thing. I basically did some more repairs to it. Um, these right here, the captain walks out. I have replaced them with new ones that I haven't been able to for a while. So to make it have that extra walkway for the captain or whatever. And I also replaced the front of this here. I've replaced that. Gave it a different face because the windows were too big on the old panel. Other side, I didn't do anything with it. Kept it the same. Didn't need to change it. This is the MV Samish. This model I've had for, I'm gonna have to say, going on 3 years now. This thing was built in 2016 of September, so. Yeah, this thing's about 3 years old almost. But it's still in good shape. I'm keeping it up. Just like the real ferries, you have to keep up with the models too. Do maintenance on it and stuff. Anyway. Yeah, a little stuffy right now. That's okay. Also, notice I've replaced the catwalks where the person supposed to wash windows on the front of this one too. I'll give you a tour inside too. Inside still looks the same. Haven't changed that. My other two are sitting over there with the Enterprise model sitting on top of the Walla Walla. Yep. So I've had this Olympic Class model for a while, so this one I'm not selling. Oops, almost knocked it off. There we go. Yeah, this one I'm not selling. Because I want to be able to have a ferry of my own in my own house. The other two I'm selling. I'm selling those over there. Let me give you a look over here. Besides my Enterprise model, which is not done yet. Let's set him right there. These are the other two. Walla Walla and Chetzamoka. These... okay, don't focus out. These two are for sale. Walla Walla's for, I'm gonna say $115, and the Chetzamoka $50. So, give me a comment, subscribe, give me a like. If you want notifications, turn them on too. So, you guys have a great day. And there's this other one over there, the Samish. I was thinking about building another one. I don't know which one I'm going to do next. Toss between an Issaquah, another Super, or I could build the Puyallup. It should be a little bit longer than the Walla Walla here. And Puyallup's probably going to be as long as the Wenatchee model I build, which is on my channel. You can check that out. The MV Wenatchee, which I do not have, gave it away to a place called Taffy in Port Angeles. And the Tacoma model is also in Port Angeles at Port Booking News. So, this is David signing off. Y'all have a great day.